Hi, in this video I will show you how to buy BNB on Binance US. So the process is pretty simple. So BNB is a currency by the Binance. So first of all, open your Binance application and click on this profile icon from the left top. And once you will click on it, you will see page like this. Now you have to click on the payment method. Once you will click on it, you will see page like this. Now you have to click on the P2P payment methods, tap on it. Right now I have not added any payment method, so you can add your payment method here and go back, and after that click on the wallet from here, and on the top you have to click on the P2P, and after that click on the P2P trading here. And once you will do it, you will see page like this. Now you have to select buy here, and you have to click on the BNB from here to buy the BNB. So these are the ads to buy the BNB. These are basically traders of the BNB. Simply click on the buy. Once you will do it, first of all you have to verify your account if it's not verified. So once you will verify your account, you will see enter amount option here. You have to enter the amount. So in this way you can buy BNB account. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.